Hi, M5769. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Laura Garcia. I am 43 years old. I live in Cabuyao, Laguna from
Okay.
Philippines.
Okay, your civil status
I'm a single mother with two kids, ages 24 and 20.
and your religion.
Catholic
And,
Roman.
okay, and your highest educational attainment.
High school graduate.
Okay, since you have an experience being a helper in Saudi Arabia for 4 years, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have experience. I serve seven members of the family. Uh, I I have my main duty is
Okay,
taking care of newborn baby,
okay,
two toddler, two
okay.
adults, and I'm serving the food for madam and sir.
And other household chores that you do.
And then I'm washing, ironing, cooking, cleaning the house.
Okay. Then you have another experience also in UAE, right? For
Yes.
almost 6 years.
Yes.
Tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have experience for two adults. My main duty, cleaning the house, marketing, ironing, washing the clothes, and then take care of cats.
Okay, how many cats do you take care?
One.
Only one. Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn?
I prepare for newborn baby. I wash the hen first, wash the paddle, sanitizer, and then I put the warm water and milk, and then shake it well, and then I give it to the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Uh, I check the temperature. I check the tummy. I check the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't start to cry after you check the tummy, you also check the temperature, you also feed the baby. Everything that you have done to the baby to make it stop to cry doesn't work. What will you do?
I will call my employer to check the baby.
To check the baby.
Yes.
Because the baby doesn't stop to cry, right?
Yes.
You have to tell the parents because maybe only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Mm. I want to gain experience international because uh, good and high salary,
Okay.
and then my growth experience.
Okay, for your growth experience.
Yeah.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
It's up to my employer when I stay there.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract if your
Yes.
employer wants you to extend.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No.
But it is okay to you to learn.
Yes.
And how will you
willing
learn to cook?
I willing to learn. I watching the social media, YouTube, Google, and the books.
So you can buy some books also.
Yeah.
And you could also help your madam and sir if they have a time to prepare foods for themselves so that you could learn, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about color your hair into black because I saw that you have a blonde hair?
Yes.
How about cutting your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair?
Yes.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly? It is okay with you?
Yes.
How about work on Sunday or on a holiday setup by your employer?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Of course, yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and I have a patient. And then hardworking. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Lori. Thank you.
Sir.